Hi everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation. If you're starting a business or you know of another business that's having a special event or is opening up soon, you definitely want to look into getting some custom staff name badges created. Now for anyone that owns a sublimation printer and a heat press, you have all the equipment you need to customize these name badges from Unisub. And in this video, we're gonna show you how to customize multiple items at one time. Made with strong fiber reinforced plastic, Unisub's name badges offer the opportunity to create name badges that aren't gonna sit flat. With their front white gloss finish coated for sublimation, you could bring colorful backgrounds, logos, and fonts over with ease. By scaling these elements down to the badge's size, you essentially have a stylized template ready that reflects yours or your client's business. Once you've prepped one name badge, you can copy and paste it as many times as you're able to fit on one document. Of course, you'll want to replace the names on the copies accordingly. But how exactly should your name badges be prepared? Using the badge templates available at heatpressnation.com and graphic design software, you can import the template to the software and copy it over to another document that's the size of your sublimation paper. By importing your background to this document, you can scale it down to the badge's bleed layer, then use that layer as a clipping mask. Once that's been done, you can begin adding and scaling other elements down to the badge, grouping them under the clipping mask. Even though the badge's design is masked within the bleed layer, it's still worth considering the imprint and safety areas of the template. By changing the opacity of these layers to 50%, you can use them as reference for fitting your text and other elements in, then hide or delete them once settled. Having the designs extend out to the bleed will provide room when aligning the badges and transfer together with the printed images. With your badge design ready, make sure its text is center aligned, then you can start copying and pasting multiples on your document. For anyone with a sawgrass printer, you'll need to keep their 1/4-inch print margin in mind. After you replace the names on all of your badges, you can print the document through your sublimation printer. For sawgrass printers, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager and use these settings. Substrate set to polyester, paper to your paper's profile, the mirror option checked, and in the color tab, set your color mode to either photographic or vivid, depending on the detail of your design. Once set, go ahead and click Print on SPM. With the transfer printed, we're ready to apply it onto our badges. For Unisub name badges, set your machine to 75 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Since we'll be sublimating multiple badges at once, an additional 5 seconds will need to be added for each badge. When pressing 12 badges, for instance, the time will total out at 130 seconds. Once your machine is at temperature, cover the lower platen with parchment paper, then place your transfer on top. Place the name badges facing toward each image on your transfer, and then attach them together using heat tape. Flip the badges with the transfer side facing up, then cover them with another parchment paper sheet and press. When your machine is done, open it and allow the badges to cool down for a moment. Afterwards, quickly peel each name badge off the transfer and they've now been sublimated. You can then attach a magnet backing to each name badge, which will provide a needle-free way of attaching these badges onto any garment. To learn more about Unisub name badges and other products, visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to get in touch with the My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.